Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I get some pretty entertaining ideas and good questions. I love this question. This gentleman sent me these lines and this kind of a rustic looking Y. And I did it. He wants the inside lines thicker than the outside lines. Now, for the one I'm doing it for, these outside lines are hairlines, so you need to make them a little bit thicker. If this was going to print, I have no clue. Maybe he's doing, different colors and I don't know. So I'm going to take what he gave me. Matter of fact, he just gave me an outline of this. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to put P and put it in the center of the page. You could draw lines individually and make them thicker, but I think this will work. Well, I know it'll work. I just did it. This is almost 20 inches. I'm going to set my nudge factor on 25, and I'm going to make a duplicate of that and move it out of the way. Now on this black, rustic looking, or abstract looking Y, I'm going to make it blue. This is a group of lines, 43 lines. I'm going to put it back. And as long as I can see the blue on top without the red, I can intersect that Y. So I'm going to go intersect. And look at that. And now I can make that line black and I can make it thicker lines. Now, how do I get rid? I guess I didn't even need to make a copy. How do I get rid of the lines so I just have the outside line? Well, take your virtual segment delete key, and if you will hold down your Alt key, anything you touch, you'll cut out. Just be careful, don't cut that last line. I mean, it's surprisingly easy. So I'm going to go ahead and make this just in case half inch or half point, and then move this. So I've never moved anything, I've nudged it. And look at that. Now I hope he sends me, I hope he sends me the graphic that he's doing. And I think he has to do this with a lot of letters for us. He actually mentioned sweatshirt. But, if you made the outside lines yellow and the inside lines red, you just kind of, let's put a black box around it like I always do to make it look good or make it stand. I do this so it'll stand out for your, so the lines are dead on. Well, you know what? I don't know if that's going to play into play. That outline of that red, okay, it's gone. I had the other one there. So now you got thick red lines and thin yellow lines on the exact same plane. So for the one I'm doing this for, please take a picture of what you print off. I'd be really interested. Hope that helped him and them, and thank you for watching.